Hey traders, welcome to WeTradeWave's weekly Forex forecast. Last week was amazing. Most of the pairs went as expected, and we really hope all of you made money with us. Before we start with what next, I want all of you to keep watching till the end. We have a lot to cover. DXY, for this one, we said last week guys, we are expecting market to go up. Despite this down wave, we will be looking for our buy setups and we are expecting DXY to move upwards. This is exactly what market did. We've got this up move, market gave us this pullback, and now we are expecting market to go up again next week. So for DXY, we are biased to the upside. Those of you who are in, you move your stops and you manage your trades. Those of you who are not in, you can still look for your buy setups and you go for the next up wave. Now the structure here and the pattern is in the making, and this structure is missing one or more than one leg. Where is the next stop for this up wave? It can stop between 93.20 and 93.30. This is what we can see for the next stop. Forget these levels and focus on the bias. For DXY, we are biased to the upside. If any one of you get in the buy with us last week, your worst case scenario, it should be small win. No loss or break even in this trade. It's either small win or big win. Alright guys? Now those of you who are new to WeTradeWave's channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Euro-dollar, for this one, we really hope guys most of you get in this sell and are making money riding this down wave. This was one of the trades of the week along with pound O's and US oil. I'll cover those in detail step by step with you during the video. So for this one, 2 weeks ago, we were expecting market to drop from here. We've got this pullback, another push up. Last week we said guys, we are still biased to the downside. The structure hasn't changed and we are still looking for this sell setup and this down move. On Monday, market started this drop. And we know a lot of you trade euro-dollar, so if you remember this forecast or you are making money from this down wave, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Remember guys, your supportive comments and likes will push us to give you more and more every single week. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new to WeTradeWave's channel, and leave a comment. What next for euro-dollar? For this one, we can see market dropping again next week. Most of you who are following us and who trade euro-dollar, or if you are a member of our in-depth analysis service and you get in the sell, your worst case scenario here, it should be big win. No small win, no break even, and not small loss. So in all the cases, and no matter what the market will do, you should get out for big win in this trade. Now those of you who are not in, you can still be looking for your sell setups. Do not jump in, wait your sell setup. If for any reason, market will be going up to give us a big corrective structure, another drop will be coming. So in all the cases, we are biased to the downside for euro-dollar. Remember, this is not a trade call and this is not signal service. What we share here is only our point of view on what could be the next move in the market based on our special wave analysis concept. More details regarding this structure and where euro-dollar might stop next will be covered in details by T on Sunday session. Guys, Sunday live sessions are part of our in-depth analysis service. And just to let you know, we have implemented a new payment portal where you can pay using your credit or debit card from any part of the world. A lot of you were waiting this, and we thought to update you on this new payment portal since some of you have had troubles in the past paying us via PayPal. Now what will you get in our in-depth analysis service? Sunday live session with T. If you cannot attend live, the session will be recorded and recording will be available for 7 days. You will get midweek review analysis via email. In addition to that, you will get trades of the week and trades of the month. So if you are interested, you can subscribe in just few clicks. Guys, before we go for the next pair, let me show you Pound Oz trade of the week covered by T last Sunday.
A new trade added to this one, Pound Oz. This is going to be the next trade of the week where we are going to look for a buy setup as soon as market opens tonight. And then you're going to check the next price action somewhere around 88.5 level here. If market corrects here, it's going to push it through once more to 90 level here. Okay.
So market went up more than 230 pips. Amazing, isn't it? Pound dollar, another pair. This was posted on all our social media platforms and here on our YouTube community tab. We forecasted this down wave, market went down from here to here, and after this down move, market went all the way up. 2 moves in 1 week. This was more than 150 pips, and this was the exact same move. What next? If you made money here in this down wave or in this down move from here to here, some of you even took this buy, so if you made money with those waves, now we're expecting pound dollar to drop again. So the next wave for pound dollar is towards the downside. It's up to you if you'd like to trade it or not. If you made money here in this down wave or in this up wave, I suggest you to leave it for now, and if you really want to trade pound dollar, we will be looking for our sell setups. And just to mention one more thing here regarding our private Slack group, we have guys more than one strategy. We have 3 at the moment, and we will release our 4th one in November course. Strategy 3 is working like crazy on pound dollar. Anyway, for this one, we are biased to the downside. And I want all of you guys to listen carefully and remember this. Money doesn't go to people who need it. It goes to people who knows how to multiply it. So if you learn how to trade correctly in Forex trading, you can multiply your money. Does it make sense? Guys, our next course will be in November. Those of you who are serious about trading, our November course will be a special one. So if you are interested, be ready for it. Aussie dollar, also for this one, we said guys, we are expecting a down wave. Market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. For this one, market is making another corrective structure for another down wave. So also for this one, looks like market will drop next week. Those of you who get in the sell, either you take profits or you manage your trades. Dollar yen, for this one, we are within a complex and messy structure. Even though we've made money in every single drop, and we will make money in the next drop. And by the way guys, during the video, I will show you a few screenshots from inside our private Slack group. Anyway, for dollar yen, market was dropping after every new high. So some of us got in here, some of us got in here, took some profits, and got in again in this drop. What next? Even if market will be going up again to break this top, we will look for sell setups one more time. So if dollar will be strong next week, we have a higher probability chance that dollar yen will push up again to break this top one more time. If that happens, we will look for sell setups again. Let me be clear here, we are not interested in this up wave. We are only looking for our sell setups. Now here is the thing here. Some of you might be asking, alright Alan, if you know market will be going up, why you will not buy this one? Well, you have to focus on only one direction that has the higher probability chance. And also, if you will focus on this up wave, you might miss all this down move. New Zealand dollar for this one, market started a down wave, we've got this down move, and now we are going up again. The way market is moving, we do not like it. Despite this massive structure, we are biased to the downside. Even if market will go up to break this top, we will be looking for our sell setups one more time. For this one, more than one pattern can unfold. So regarding the patterns here, and the bigger picture, T will cover this in details for you on Sunday session. Those of you who haven't subscribed to our in-depth analysis service, I suggest you to go to our Trustpilot profile and read what our members are saying. Pound yen for this one, we were expecting market to drop. We've got this down wave. All of this move, it was corrective. And we've got this up wave. Once we spot this as a corrective structure, most of us who get in this sell, they moved stops to break even before this up wave. Anyway, the next wave is towards the downside, and we will be looking for our sell setups one more time. In fact, some of us are already in the sell again. USOIL for this one, you know we are expecting market to drop. We've got this down wave, corrective structure, another down move. This messy and complex structure, we do not like it. Market went up, we've got this down wave, up, we are at the same level. What next? In all the cases, we will be looking for sell setups one more time. This up move, it might go up to break this top and then down again. Regardless, we will ignore any buy setup and we will focus on our sell setups for USOIL. Breaking this top or not is not the key. The next leg is towards the downside. Gold for this one, this was a great trade. Market was going to the upside, and then last week, market dropped. In all the cases, we were expecting market to drop after this uptrend. So all of you get in the buy, you must have made decent profits with this up move. What next? For gold, we can see market going up again. So the next trade and the next move is towards the upside. Alright guys, for gold, after the completion of this down wave, we will be waiting our buy setups one more time. Those of you who made money here, enjoy the profits and wait your next buy setup. Do not jump in, wait your next buy setup. Now listen to me. If you don't have a strategy, you don't have a plan, and you don't know what to do after you get in, this means you are gambling, not trading. If you are jumping in, you are a gambler, not a trader. This is the truth, and you have to accept it. Forget about those fancy ads on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. Those ads regarding getting rich quick, where they show you the latest cars and big houses, forget about that. 99.99% of the times, those cars and houses are rented. So don't fall with these ads. Instead, focus on yourself. Forex trading is not easy. It will become easy only after you learn how to trade correctly. I'm repeating this. Only after you learn how to trade correctly. You only have two choices to learn how to trade correctly. Either you do it by yourself and you can do it. This might take few years. Let me repeat this. This might take few years, or you choose a trusted community and mentors. I'm not pushing you here to take our course. Do not mix up things. I'm guiding you on how to do this correctly. Either you do it by yourself or you choose a trusted community and mentors. It's up to you to take the decision. The difference between those two is time. Here you might need few years, and here you might do it in only few months. Few will be honest with you and tell you this truth. Sooner or later, you will get back and you will remember my words. I don't want you to lose your hard-earned money just by jumping in or following anyone blindly. Dollar CAD for this one, this was the bias and this was the forecast. Last week we said, guys, we are expecting market to correct for another drop. And this corrective structure, it might be deeper than expected. Market went all the way up and we broke this top. Perfect. Why? Because this is a complete structure for us for this drop. Those of you who are wondering what is this structure, this is an expansion. What next for dollar CAD? If market will correct here, another drop is coming. We are biased to the downside, and this was also mentioned in the midweek review email. So for dollar CAD, we are still biased to the downside. Silver for this one, market started a down wave. This is a corrective structure to us, and after the completion of this corrective structure, we think that silver will be going up again. So we will be waiting our buy setups to go for the next up wave. Bitcoin for this one, this is amazing, and I'll explain you why. Few months ago, we did a crypto session for our in-depth analysis service members. We covered a lot of coins. Most of the members doubled their investment in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins. And this is also a screenshot from inside our private Slack group. We have members that trade only cryptos. What I really want to mention here, we said to our members in the crypto session and in few of Sunday sessions that crypto market will fall in September. Our in-depth analysis service members, please leave a comment if you remember how to cover cryptocurrencies and about September fall. Let us know in the comment section if you remember that. So this is Bitcoin here. We said the stop it will be at 50. And last Sunday, we said next stop will be 52. Market just hit 52. We've got this drop. Amazing. This fall, it might be temporary. And the next move, it will be to the upside. We can see that Bitcoin will be going up next. If you want to know more, subscribe to our in-depth analysis service. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first, and then you risk your money. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.